Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Moment Fashion. So how are you guys? Today I am going to share with you outstanding, latest, trendy and beautiful high heel post designs, ideas, fagas and moments. So you will see in this video different style and type of high heel boost designs 2022 and 23. You can wear these boots in official parties and informal function. All design are so gorgeous, beautiful and stylish for those moments who like latest fashion and unique style of fashion. So friends, watch my video till the end so you don't miss any design of my more beautiful video, because all design are so stylish, trendy and unique, and I am sure you like and want to buy such type of boots. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily in my channel videos. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel Moment Fashion for more fashion ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Most stylish, beautiful and gorgeous party wear high heel boots designs, ideas for girls and women. Please guys, like my video and share my video with your friends and family, because my video very useful and have a unique and stylish latest fashion ideas. So friends, if you loving these beautiful designs, to like my video, share and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification full of my videos, so you will not miss any video of my channel Moment Fashion. So friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Most stylish, beautiful and gorgeous party wear high heel boots designs, ideas, fagas and moments. Do comments in comment section about my video and suggest me good advice so I can make more beautiful videos. Please support me by sharing my video, and thanks for happy visions of my previous video. Thank you so much guys of your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourage me and motivate me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video till the end. Goodbye dear friends, till the next video, see you soon.